Hello, sir. Myself Rashid. I'm from the company called Expo. So please introduce yourself and tell us about Tennant and also about your experience at the Expo. How has the Clean India show been so far for you?
Yeah, my name is Tenny Cherian. I belong to the south of India. I hail from Chennai. So I take care of the tenant business for the south of India. Talking about Tenant, my experience so far, uh, Tenant is one of the largest global companies into industrial cleaning machines. And India, we have started our operations from last, say, 3 years, and we are by far, no, we are getting into the industrial segment, and yeah, I think we are getting a fair pair of share of pie in this market.
That's right. That's right. So now, what new cleaning machines or technologies is Tennant showcasing this year, especially for large commercial and industrial spaces?
Okay. Talking about tenant machines, one of the new technologies what we are having is T7 with the ECH2O nanotechnology, wherein this technology is basically we are talking about detergent-free cleaning, where we are talking about a tap water converted into basically an alkaline and acidic solutions, creating nano bubbles, and with the help of millions of nano bubbles, the dirt is being picked up. Okay,
Right.
so it's purely a detergent-free cleaning, and whoever is gives importance to the sustainability and all that, we are showcasing this, and you can save a lot of chemicals cost by deploying this machines.
That's right. That's right. So how does Tennant ensure durability, low maintenance, and long-term performance in its equipments?
Okay, talking about our bigger machines, these are Duramer body. Okay, this is it's a mix of high HDPE and added additives, which gives you a longer life. So most of the Tennant machines, if you look at, it is built for a life. Okay, so we have machines in certain cement plants which are more than 20 years. Okay,
Oh.
so that gives you a built of these machines.
That's right. So now if we talk about the trainings, what kind of training service and after sales support does Tennant offer to help client maximize machine efficiency?
If you talk about Tennant and IPC, we have almost 19 branches across India, and we have a very good sales and after sales network across India. And now we have started our operations in Coimbatore as well. So now we are in basically in the length and breadth of India, starting from the entire north to south to east to west, and we have a very capable service network, and we give periodic service of machines, give you with importance to after sales service.
That's right. Now, as we can see that Tennant is celebrating 155 years, like 1870 to 2025. So now, if we talk about how is Tennant contributing to Viksit Bharat 2047 through sustainable cleaning technologies and smart facility solutions.
Okay. One of our new technologies what we have brought in is the X6 rover, which is now it is mainly into robotic. Okay, so this is powered by Brain OS, and we are talking about no human intervention with
Right.
these machines. So this is the newer entrant what we have deployed. We have brought into India, and of course I have told about sustainability. Our machines are in terms of chemical savings, in terms of water savings. So we are more into sustainability.
That's right. Thank you, sir.